you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different and it's something that I've been wanting to do for a long time and I've just been waiting for delivery in order for me to do this. So as you can see, I'm wearing a duke and I'm wearing a gown because this is a hair review video and this is the hair. It's from Cynosure Hair. Cynosure Hair. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. Cynosure Hair. Cynosure Hair. Cynosure Hair. Guys, there is no school for pronunciation. But anyways, this is how the packaging looks like. So your hair is going to come like this. And their slogan is, love your hair, show your beauty. I can't wait to show mine. This is very cute. It also has their princess logo here, which means obviously their hair are crowns and you feel like a princess when you have their hair on. So I'm just going to open the package just so you guys can see. So on the inside we've got this wig. This is the wig. So this is the package basically. Like, this wig is 24 inches. It's curly hair and it's 220 density. Like, I made sure, like, I was like, not 150, not 120, but 220. Yeah, because I like big things, guys. I mean, you should know by now that I like big things. Also inside the package, you get this pamphlet, which basically teaches you how to take care of your hair. Love it. It has the hair types, basically the types of hair that they have. So they've got body wave, straight hair, kinky, curly, deep wave, loose wave, 360 lace frontal. I'm talking ombre hair, 4x4 lace closure, 613 hair, and 13x4 lace frontal. This is how 1630 hair looks like. Wait, let's do it like this. Yes, this is how 613 hair, 613 hair looks like. And man, like, they've been given proper feedback from their customers basically, and how you wash their hair. I'm so excited, like how you wash their hair, how you measure the length, and how to basically comb your hair and how to take care of your curls. Totally love it. How to open hair weft, man, like, it's got everything that you need to know about taking care of your hair and what kind of hair to get from them. Also on the inside we've got a wig cap. There's two pieces of wig caps in here. This is so helpful because I do not have a wig cap with me right now, as they are in Durban at my place. And then it comes out with a pair of lashes. This is the case, and I'm wearing their lashes right now because I was like, you know what, if I'm gonna do a hair look by them, why not wear their lashes? And I mean, I love how they look, because if you guys know me, you know by now that I really like dramatic lashes. So I gave them a little bit of a brush. I'm using my mascara just so they're like a little bit more dramatic than the size they were, because these ones were very friendly. Be it you're a person that likes medium-sized lashes, you could just pimp them up to be the size that you desire. Okay, so yeah, this is the wig. Let me open the pack now, just so you guys could see it properly. This is, so it comes in this net. Basically, it's to protect your hair. And there's this paper that is to protect your cap, you know, so that it stays in place. Love that. Guys, excuse me, look at this. This is like candy to me. So okay, this is basically the frontal, and on the inside it has, we've got how many combs? So we've got 1, 2, 3 and 4 combs. So this wig has 4 combs, and it's got a strap that you can adjust it to basically fit the size of your head, of which I really like that. And guys, I mean, it's time to actually feel the curls. Guys, please look at that. Please look at that. For hair that's been in a net for like a month, that's been in a package for like a month, this surely looks and feels, guys, they're so soft. The curls are so soft. What? The lace is transparent, and I'm hoping it's just going to melt into my scalp. But I'm just going to put on the hair now just so you can see, right? How the wig itself is. Obviously, it's kind of like, this cap is big. So at the moment, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a side parting or I'm going to do a middle parting. But I'm not really sure if a middle parting does suit me. So I'm probably, well, maybe it does suit me, but I don't think it's my best. But so I'm just going to do a side. Yeah, because like I've always desired and wanted to do a side. But basically, I wanted to show you how the hair looks like right now. I haven't like done anything to the hair, haven't done anything, you know. So this is just basically me showing you how it came. You can see the baby hairs, you know. Oh, these curls are so soft. So this is 24 inches. Let me get up a little bit just so you can see how far it goes. You know, it's very long. It's very long. I'm super happy. I'm super excited. Are you ready for me to rock? Are you ready to rock with me? Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get the wig into place and make sure that everything blends and everything is together. Okay, see you just now. As you guys can see, I've cut off my lace. Now I'm just going to lay my wig and then do my baby hairs. And then, yeah, so let's get to the actual work, which is basically me laying it and making sure it stays in place, okay? Okay, so the next time you see me, I will obviously be ready for you. And yeah. Guys, I'm totally in love with this hair. Like, as you can see, it's everything. Like, I'm totally in love as well with how I laid it, because this was my first time ever laying a wig, and I was like, you know what, it won't bite. And I'm in love with these curls. I really love how soft they are, how big they are, especially now, like in winter. They're very suitable for winter, of which curls are like the it factor for me. Like, when I wear curls, just know I'm within my element, because I really like curls. Really love those ones. I could have actually styled it any way I wanted to, and as time goes on, I will show you guys the way I style this hair if you guys would like to see it, because I did get like an idea of doing an up, like basically an up ponytail, or basically a middle part, or the other side sideway. But I'm just so in love with this one. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment. Let me know what you think of these curls. I will obviously link everything that I used on my hair, including these curls, and where they're from and what density they are below, so that you guys may be able to purchase them for yourselves. But I'm very happy. I mean, what? Look at this. Look, I could live like this. Like, I see myself at an airport like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Truly appreciate it. Bye.